So, hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve for surface area and volume of a rectangular prism. Problem. Let's say you have a rectangular box. Its length is 4 centimeters. Its width is 6 centimeters. And its height is 8 centimeters. Can you determine its surface area and volume? So before we solve for the total surface area, we're gonna solve first for the front and back faces. So front and back faces equals 2 times length times height. So copy the 2. Then since the length is 4 centimeters, we're gonna put 4 centimeters times its height, which is 8 centimeters. Copy the 2 and then multiply 4 cm and 8 cm, which is equals to 32 cm squared. Now multiply 2 times 32 cm squared is equals to 64 cm squared. And now we'll proceed to top and bottom faces. Top and bottom faces equals 2 times length times width. So copy 2, and since the length is 4 centimeters, we're gonna put 4 centimeters. And the width, which is 6 centimeters. Copy the 2 and then multiply 4 cm and 6 cm, which is equals to 24 cm squared. Now multiply 2 times 24 cm squared is equals to 48 cm squared. So now let's proceed to side faces. So side faces equals 2 times width times height. Copy the 2, and since the width is 6 centimeters, we're gonna put 6 centimeters, and its height, which is 8 centimeter. Copy the 2 and then multiply 6 cm and 8 cm, which is equals to 48 cm squared. And then multiply 2 times 48 cm squared, which is equals to 96 cm squared. Since we already solved the front and back faces, top and bottom faces, and side faces, we can now solve for the total surface area. Total surface area equals 64 cm squared plus 48 cm squared plus 96 cm squared, which is equals to 192 cm cubed. Now let's proceed to the volume. Volume equals length times width times height. So since the length is 4 centimeter, we're gonna put 4 centimeter times its width, which is 6 centimeters, and its height, which is 8 centimeter, and then multiply the 3, which is equals to 192 cm cube. So the total surface area of a rectangular prism is 192 cm cube, while its volume is 192 cm cube.